Hi, this is Kerry Artag with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Thursday, September 19th, 2024. But before we check out the charts, I just want to ask you to please click like, share, subscribe, and check out wickedstocks.com, where we offer a full suite of both daily and weekly analytical videos, just like the daily Tesla and daily NVIDIA reports, daily analysis in the SPY, daily analysis in the Triple Q, weekly analysis in the S&P 500 index, the NASDAQ 100 index, and Apple stock, as well as 2 individual stock picks a week that you never see on YouTube that cater to the 3 to 5 week swing trader out to the 3 to 5 month near term investor, always looking for 20% moves or more on those underlying stocks. And you get to see all of this for free. We offer a 5-day free trial up front. So check out wickedstocks.com. Let's take a look at the charts. I'm going to start with the day itself, work my way out into the longer term, and that is a settlement that occurred yesterday, Wednesday, below the 231.95 channel bottom. That is a structure that is held earlier this week, both Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday, we closed below it, and it does set off, I'm going to say a 3 to 5 day sell signal over the next day or two, possibly today. 220.76 in reach, simple trend line off the lows. And over the next, by the end of next week or sooner, 211.84 is likely below 231.95. So holding below 231.95, 3 to 5 day swing traders stay short into the 210s, the low 210s, 211.84, where we find the beginning of a meaningful band of channel support all the way down to 201.72 that can absorb selling on a weekly, possibly through October basis. And once tested, we can round up into the 250s or higher, which is this trend line here. That would be the new channel top once tested. So, that is the big picture. If you're a 3 to 5 week swing trader, there's really nothing to do but wait for 211.84. If you're a 3 to 5 day swing trader, you're short or getting short in the low 230s, anticipating the low 210s by the end of next week or sooner. On the way down, once again, 220.76 can contain intraday selling pressures. By the way, just a reminder that all the minor points are very carefully chosen. They all have meaning. If you've been following the Tesla report for a long time, you know that, especially if you're an aggressive day trader, you know that our minor points can work quite well throughout the day. Now for the upside, a pushing or opening today above 231.95 will keep this 237 even 5/8 Fibonacci in reach. We have missed this retracement by just a hair twice now in the last couple of weeks. It is the 5/8 upside from the July high against the August low. It can contain intraday buying possibly through the balance of the day. But I will say, if we close today above 231.95, that would also be a new high settlement price following that August low. That, in combination with just closing above the channel structure, does skew the market back more to the upside as we move into a later week, early next. I would anticipate following a settlement above 231.95, the 241.68 rising channel top. This is a newly formed structure. Actually, it's not. It's based on these series of lows. I don't want to get too deep in a channel construction, but once again, closing above 231.95, I do see two things here. One is a 1 to 2 day swing trade up to 241.68. Now, certainly closing above 241.68 would then clarify 253.65 as your next 2 to 3 day target. But I will go out on a limb just a bit here and say that if we close today above 231.95, first of all, I don't see a good reason for 3 to 5 day swing traders to be staying short as we move into next week. And in fact, you want to reverse and go long. Go long to at least 241.68 within several days. But I do think that if we close today above 231.95, I think you can play the long side in anticipation of 253.65 within a week, two at the most, maybe quite possibly by the end of next week. Of course, a settlement above 241.68 would clarify that, but it would just be then another 2 to 3 days later where we would test 253.65. Now, 253.65 is like a 201.72 in terms of its ability to contain buying pressures on at least a weekly, if not monthly basis. And it would be, in terms of the big picture, looking for big picture moves. A settlement above 253.65 would indicate the 300.40 long-term channel top within 3 to 5 weeks of doing so. Until then, we were kind of in this, not kind of, I think we actually are in this two-sided framework where you're selling the low 250s if given the opportunity over the next week or two, and you are buying the low 200s if given the opportunity over the next week or two. And as things stand right now, I am expecting the low 200s over the next week or two. 211.84 by the end of next week or sooner, following yesterday's settlement below 231.95. On the way down today, once again, 220.76, able to contain intraday selling. And certainly if we close today below 220.76, we should, with that kind of volatility, tomorrow test our objective at 211.84. I think that pretty much rounds it out. I'm going to ask you to click like, share, subscribe, check out wickedstocks.com. Take advantage of our 5-day free trial and our 2 stock picks every week, our daily triple Q, daily SPY analysis. Go to wickedstocks.com and fill out your email address for that Wicked Stocks Insider, where you're given free stock picks, 1 or 2 a month as it stands right now. We did the TLT earlier this week, interest rate ETF, 20-year Treasury ETF. You want to check that out, especially with what happened on Wednesday with the half-point rate reduction. This is consistent, actually, with what we've been seeing for the last 2 months following a buy signal in the TLT. We do have an objective, which is a significant overhead long-term resistance area that you want to know about. I'm going to leave it at that for Thursday's Tesla report of, let's see here. I'll be back tomorrow with Fridays. You have a great day.